Hey guys, welcome back. News here on your channel, your tour guide on Toy Fair in Shanghai 2024. Okay, so here we're talking about baby strollers. So please.
Hello.
Hi there, guys. What's your name?
My name is Lin.
Lin, nice to meet you. Please introduce your company. What's the name?
Our company is Cixi Forbaby. Yes.
Okay, so what's your main product?
Our main product is baby stroller, and we also have high chair right here.
And baby workers and more.
Yeah.
Good. What year did you found the company?
Around 2002.
2002.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So more than 20 years of experience. Okay, that's great. How about your market, your target market?
Our main market is South America and Europe and Asian countries.
How about North America? You forgot about North America?
Yeah.
Yes, also North America. Don't worry, guys, because the company also passed the Walmart certification, so more products will be on the platforms online, guys. So don't miss it out. Okay, so let's talk about your top products. What is that? This one.
This one, yeah. This one.
I see the color is so different. Is green or not green? I don't understand. How you did that?
Our designer.
So you have the design team and R&D team, right?
Yeah.
For sure. Okay, so this stroller for babies, what age? From 1 to 3?
Yeah.
From 1 to 3. Okay, because later we're gonna talk about bigger strollers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So can you show please what's inside?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Okay, it's foldable so easily. Good. Okay, and you can even fold like this.
And this one to fold this.
Even more like this. Okay,
Yeah.
in a matter of
It's
seconds.
light.
And then you can carry it like that and put it in your trunk.
Yeah.
Or just leave it at your home. So not a big deal. How about the material? What's the material?
The aluminum.
Aluminium, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And,
And plastic, yeah?
yeah.
Okay. Can you please show me more about the fun? Okay. Can you unfold? Yeah, show me. Okay, thank you. That's cool. Nice. Can you please put the cover away? I just want to see inside. Yeah, so
Yeah.
here you have the belts, right?
Yeah.
How to use them? Please show me.
Yeah. It's okay.
Can you, this one? How
This
to?
one too.
Okay, you can also, oh, so flexible. Nice. I
Yeah.
got it.
And this one we can this.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yeah. We can change the
Okay.
baby seat.
I see. Higher, lower. You can
Yeah.
adjust. Depends on the height and the size of the kid.
It can address.
Yeah. Adjustable.
this
Good. Okay. Good. How to make it tight? Make it tight. Yeah.
This one
Okay.
we can change.
Uh-huh.
This.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this one too.
Okay. That's beautiful. Good. And if you want to put some legs here, we just do like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just this one. This
That's
two
right.
One. These two bottle.
Yeah.
Both to make it.
I got it. Yeah, I see. Good. Here is some space here to put some products or anything.
Yeah.
You know, some vegetables or fruits, whatever. Yeah. That's handy. I like it. Let's stop product here, okay? Let's move on. We have another one, right?
Yeah.
This color, right?
Set color.
Okay, this one. Let's have a look. Is the same color, the same model?
Different model.
Bit different, okay.
It's different.
I see here the pocket, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The pocket, right?
This one can this.
Show me. Okay, you have a big pocket here. Almost like a storage.
Those,
It's
fabric.
breathable, yeah. If it's hot summer, guys, that's a big deal.
yeah.
You can
And
definitely
we
enjoy this
can
cool
This one.
system, okay?
Fit it and
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good one.
See the
Agree.
baby on side.
Yeah, I like it. What is that?
Yeah. These two, both pushes.
Okay. Okay. How to do that? Okay, like this.
Yes.
Easily. I got it. That's a transformer. That's a big one. So convenient. So foldable. And it's so light. Thank you.
Oh,
Pleasure.
thank you.
Thank you, guys. See you
Thank
next
you.
time. All right.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Pleasure.